Sanibonani abusheni dumelang ralocha. My name is Kipusisi, intombi yakabhaloyi, intombi ezalwa ngunamati uzimba mkhandela umaphanga. And yes, this is my first episode. I am so new at this. Let's clap together. And yes, today I just want to speak to somebody out there, somebody who feels unheard, uncared for, unloved. We get those days sometimes. You feel like you have no one to turn to. But I'm saying it's okay to, want to love yourself more. It's okay. We need to start loving ourselves more. We need to start appreciating who we are. We need to embrace who we are and what we stand for, and just, keep your head up high. And it's okay to just let go and be you and forget about what the world thinks of you. Forget about how they portray you, how they see you. And you get those days where you feel like you don't have anybody to talk to. You don't have, you have things that you need to get off your chest, and you want to speak to somebody. You want to let go of some things. Never ever make another person make you feel like you are not worthy. You're not good enough. You're not, perfect the way you are. We're all made in God's image, and we are perfect just the way we are. Yes, perfection is not in the eyes. Perfection is within you as an individual. It's within you as a person. So if you learn to actually care for yourself more than you expect other people to do so for you, that way you allow yourself not to feel so bad or not to feel so hurt when you feel as though nobody's listening to you or nobody's paying attention to you. It's okay to want to love yourself sometimes. Even listening to yourself, sometimes you just need to be you and just, who's my man?